Here are the quick steps to set up your Firestick plus Nord Virtual Private Network plus Peacock US Open. 1. Install Nord Virtual Private Network on Firestick. Open Apps on Firestick, Amazon App Store. Search Nord Virtual Private Network. Download, open, log in. 2. Connect to a US server in Nord Virtual Private Network app. Pick a US server. Try New York, Los Angeles, Chicago. Use Nord links. If blocked, switch to Open Virtual Private Network or obfuscated servers. 3. Prepare Firestick for streaming. Settings, applications, manage installed applications, Peacock, clear cache and data if needed, or open Peacock in an incognito browser on the Firestick Silk browser. 4. Start Virtual Private Network before Peacock. Connect Nord Virtual Private Network first. Verify IP shows us in app or via an IP check site. Then open Peacock and play US Open Stream. 5. Fix common issues. If Peacock shows a virtual private network or proxy error, switch to a different US server. Clear Peacock cache again, or reconnect Nord Virtual Private Network using a different protocol. If buffering or quality issues, try a closer US server, use Nord links, or restart Firestick. If Firestick model is incompatible, very old, sticks, install Nord Virtual Private Network on your router or set up a hotspot from a phone or laptop running Nord Virtual Private Network and connect the Firestick to that hotspot. 6. For many household devices, install Nord Virtual Private Network on your router or use SmartNs so Firestick and other devices are covered without counting multiple connections. 7. Need a dedicated IP? If repeated blocks occur, get a Nord Virtual Private Network dedicated IP us and connect the Firestick to that IP.